All right. Now we're doing freeCodeCamp, JavaScript algorithms and data structures beta. Learn form validation by building a calorie counter. Step 37. All right. So we're going to need to know which category the entry goes in. Thankfully, we added a drop-down for the user to select the category, right? That is this right here. All right. Yes. So we're going to remember that we queried that drop-down earlier in our JavaScript and assigned it to the entry drop-down button. Yes, just like we just did. We can use the value property to get the value of the selected option. We'll use concatenation to add a hashtag to the beginning of the value property of entry dropdown and assign that result to a targetId variable. All right, so this one's kind of tricky. And honestly, I'm going to tell you right now, I made an educated guess with this one because I didn't really know how to do this. So this is how we're doing it, and this is what I figured out from it. So we'll say something like this: let targetId, and we're doing that because it says assign that result to a targetId variable. So we got to make a variable, all right? And we're going to have that equal entry dropdown. We're going to add this to the beginning of something entry dropdown, right? So we'll do the quotes, and we'll have the hashtag like that, and then the concatenation operators, the plus sign. And then we're going to do the value property of entry dropdown, right? So this isn't actually like an object, but a thing that we learned in the legacy JavaScript algorithm and data structure thing is that JavaScript is an object-oriented programming language. So technically everything in JavaScript is an object. So if we're targeting a value of a property value of something, it's probably going to use dot notation. And that's the only reason I chose to do that. I guessed that because of that thing that we learned in the what did I say? The legacy curriculum, the legacy JavaScript algorithms and data structure curriculum, right? So basically, what we're going to do here is we're going to do the entry dropdown. We're going to target entry dropdown, which is this thing up here. We made the entry dropdown equals document.getElementById entry dropdown thing. All right. So we'll do entry dropdown, and then we'll do dot value. Right. And so this is going to target this, and this select has all of these options in it. Let's get rid of the JavaScript. This select ID has all these options in it. So it's going to be this dot the values, and somehow it's going to choose these. And we'll probably get into that in a little bit, but honestly, right now it's a mystery to me. So this is what we do, because if we check the code, it works. But how it worked, stay tuned. So it looks good, and submit it. All right. Now we're on to step 38, and we'll see you next time.